So hello and welcome you all to SAIL to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay, pediatric dentist and professor in College of Dental Sciences. So dear aspirants, from many days you all are waiting when the hall ticket will come, when the venue and timing. So the announcement has been done by UPPSC authority. So it has been told that from 1st of October Sunday the exam will be there. The timing they mentioned is 9:30 to 11:30. It's a 2 hours paper. And they are told the venue will be the Prayagraj and in the Lucknow city. And you all are free to download your hall ticket on the website uppsc.up.nic.in. You just have to enter your OTR and you can download your hall ticket. The important news for the students is that now just you can say 10 days for the examination has been left. So please don't try something new to prepare. Just focus on what you have done. Try to revise. Go to past two papers, okay, 2019 and 21. And second, keep on reading clinical topic synopsis. That will be helpful to you for the preparation. And anybody coming from far of the area, let's say somebody is coming from out of the UP. So please try to reach 1 day before at the examination center, so you can be totally fresh enough for the examination. Okay, and any doubt any students have in their preparation planning, or they had doubt what to do in the last 10 to 12 days, please you can contact me anytime. But my simple focus is there. Please work on the clinical topics more and more. Be update with the recent last 1 month, whatever the current affairs have been gone, and go through the past 2 papers. Not much, just as an overview if at all any the previous questions comes. Okay dear aspirants, so very all the best to all my dear students. Hope all of you clear the exam with the flying colors, and please have a confidence and go for the best. Thank you to all my dear students.